Good morning, students. How are you? Okay, so once again, I come through this small video to you. Please open your book, SST book, page number page number 32, 33, 34. We'll discuss today about the improvement of the communication. How modern communication has improved, and yesterday we have discussed about the printing press. Then came the postal system. Today we will discuss little further on the development of the postal system, surely, but more of communication system, communication, modern communication. Yesterday in the modern communication we have discussed about telephone, telegraph, telephone and fax. I want to ask you, have you seen the fax machine? Yes, some of you might have seen the fax machine. Some of you may not have, because this fax machine was not commonly used. It is used officially. It is used officially. But today the WhatsApp has taken place of the fax. Why? Is this photo system, the photo communication system has reduced the use of the fax machine. What is a fax machine? Fax machine is a device that is attached to the telephone line, and through which written messages, especially the documents, can be sent to the recipient. Whoever you want to send any document, what you have to do is put into the machine, connect the telephone line, and just press, and it will be the Xerox part. The hard copy will come out to the receiver. Receiver will get the hard copy of that. It's like exactly like a Xerox, I will say, but it is Xerox is connected to the electric line, but fax machine is connected to the telephonic line, and so it goes through the telephonic line or the connection. So it is the hard copy is received by the recipient. Like you have seen in the Xerox machine, what they do? They put open the machine, put the document, the paper, which one they want to Xerox, and then it comes out. The photocopy of it comes out the other side. So also, if you put that in the fax machine, the thing is documents are put, and then it is connected to the telephone line. Press the OK button, and it will, wherever far away distance from here to Delhi, if you want to make that. So in that there is another fax machine which they have, that also will be connected to the telephonic line, and so both are connected, and so the hard copy will come out, the photocopy will come out from that machine from which you have connected. Do you understand? So this is how the fax machine works, and documents are sent, especially the official documents are sent through the fax machine. With the development of the technology, there were improvement in the designs of the telephone instruments and its uses. The modern form of telephone is the mobile phone. So telephone has come to mobile. So you can earlier there was a cordless. There was a telephone line, and there was a cordless receiver, and from you can receive and call from the cordless. Okay, and so cordless was used earlier. So you can move around in the house or the range that is given, and then you can talk. Today mobile is there. You can connect directly to the satellite or to the we call it tower, or the server. It is connected to the servers, and then you can talk from anywhere, any part of the world. So this is what the telephone, this mobile phone has made it very very easy. A device which can be carried along wherever one goes. We can speak to anyone from anywhere at any time using it. People can also send short messages called SMS. Today it has improved a lot. Not only SMS, you can say chat, you can send photos, you can send videos direct, you can say photo telephonic live telephonic call you can make, and then you can just see, as you are seeing me in the video, you can see the other person that side and speaker. So you can just, you have done it, so you know that it's not new thing for you today. Initially it was very difficult to understand what it is, but today it is very simple. Is it that? Next one is the radio and television. Another form of communication is radio and television. It's for mass communication. What is this mass communication? Mass communication is the imparting of information or giving information to a large number of people at a time. Okay? For example, radio. You are speaking through the radio and thousands of people are listening to you. That means it's a mass communication. Television. Television, a small event is going on and people see the live telecast in the TV. All the TVs are on and all are able to see. It's a mass. And same talk. Okay, so if the Prime Minister speaks and all world hears at the same time. So both radio and televisions were invented in the early 20th century. These became easy means to communicate information or news to thousands of people at the same time. They also became a great source of entertainment for people. It's not only communication, information, in giving information, but also entertainment programs are conducted. The televisions, the serials, the films, the dance competitions and the song competition, singing competition, all that. Even today what we are having is that even the classes are conducted today through the media, through this. So of course the use of radio has become less. Now only the people in the remote area where there is not much of a telephonic connectivity or the television towers are not yet fixed, there people, they still follow the radio. I have seen some old people still in Rampurhat use radio. Early morning they put on the radio, listen to the Rabindra Sangeet, and also the news, All India Radio. So that is, or now to Vividha Bharati, all those things are the channels. Nowadays these are not used. You will not understand what I am talking when we were using. And so radio is now used less. Surely we are still using, but not much, because of the mobile and the television has come. This became easy means to communicate information through news or news information to thousands of people at the same time. They also became a great source of entertainment for people. Radio is widely used to make announcement even today. Next one. Computers and internet. Yes, computers. Now there was a computer. The use of computer, from a long time we have been using, and every year or every 2 years the computers have been updated, and then new things have been. But one more information, that computer was there, fine enough, doing calculations, documentation and all that, but it was not connected to the internet. Now the facility is that computers are connected to the internet. Internet means the telephonic line. Telephonic line is connected to the computer, and it has become very easy for all the works. Today, all the works are being done in the computer. A computer is a device used for processing, storing, and displaying informations. All of us use computers almost every day. Computers are critical for communication. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer network. Internet is a global interconnected computer network which has made it easy to communicate, give information, and all that. Live chat, live telecast, everything. The early 1990s saw the emergence of a household internet use, which actually eventually increased common uses of email, website, blog, social networking, video chat, and voice call over the internet. Now, protocol internet is a source. Protocol internet is a source to connect to the entire world. Okay. So through this we are able to get connected in the computer. Not only does it help in communication, so this helps in our communication, but also helps for shopping. Today the internet shopping is done through various agencies like Flipkart and Blue Dart and so on, that so much of all this can be done. Booking the tickets, shopping, ordering things, anything you can do through the computer network. So this has helped. So booking tickets and many more activities can be done through this computer. So computer has made our work easy. Okay. Satellite. Now, satellites are important. If satellites are not there, then we will have no computer access or no internet facilities. Whole system of networking, communication network, whole system of communication network will fail if there are no satellites, if the satellites are not working. See, satellites are the human satellites which are made, sent to the space for communication for various purposes. Today, especially, the communication is at large scale. It is used for there has been communication satellites have been sent into the space. They are able to get signals, photos. Today they are able to get signals, not only signals, they are able to get the photos, the videos. They are able to get it and transmit to the communication centers. And so we are, for example, this mobile has been connected to the tower. We have got in our area towers of different companies have been set up, and that towers are connected to the satellite, and so they are able to get into the satellite, and these transmitting towers, they transmit to the mobile. Our mobiles are connected to this, and they are connected to the satellites. Okay, so we are not connected directly to the satellite. Okay, we are connected to the what called transmitting towers. So we say, so when we see that tower is shown, oh, here tower is not working, okay, server is not working, and all that, all this we complain. But they are all connected to this satellite, communication satellite, which are orbited, which are placed in the orbit, and then they are in the space. So what is this satellite? Let us see what is this. Our lesson says satellites are electronic devices that are sent to space through rockets. They revolve around our planet. They receive and transmit signals. Yes, as I said, they receive and transmit signals. Telephone, televisions, and computer signals are sent through these communication satellites. It is through these signals that we are able to see a live cricket match, football match taking place in different parts of the world. The images sent by satellites help us in forecasting weather. Forecasting means telling before what is going to happen, weather forecast and climate situation. There are over 2,000 communication satellites revolving around the earth, used by both private and government organizations. So thousands of satellites are orbited. They have got given a place and they are all moving. They will not dash each other because they have got particular orbit, and then all are moving. They are giving it a certain speed, and so with the help with the movement of the earth, they also move. Modern inventions in the field of communication made the world a tiny place. The world is not a vast place now. It has become a small place. We are no longer far away. We are very close because our whole world is in our hands. I remember late Prime Minister, our late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi used to say, "Dunya muthi mein kar lo." He has seen this vision. What is that? Dunya muthi mein kar lo. And today we have got the dunya in our hand. Whole world is in our hand through this small device called mobile. You are calling it mobile, cell phone. You can get any type of information through this. So it is possible for me also to make video and send to you. We could have chatted, but then because of the communication problem and the network problem, we will not be able to get it, and the data is very much consuming and very expensive for us at this crisis level. So that is what we are not able to direct time. We are in the small number, we can do it like chat, but then the big number of students at a time we cannot come because of the mobile data that we need to have. So modern invention in the field of communication have made the world very tiny place. So we are handling the world in our hands. The whole information of the world, any type of information you will get in the mobile. Where connected our places are connected with people to no longer difficult. So people from all over the world you can connect no longer. However, excessive advancement also has led to the increase in crime rate. Cybercrime has become very common all over the world. Hence, people must learn to use such resources wisely. We need to know how to use these devices, the facilities that we have in our hands. Otherwise, we will run a loss, and a lot of crimes committed. Cybercrime especially, this all that, because of that the killings and all that takes place because of this. Okay, so I'm not talking about the cybercrime and the drawbacks of the communication satellites and the communication system, but I am stopping here. Just please, I request you to go through the points. Now I know these are the summary of the whole lesson. Now I know, on page number 35, please go through and do the question answer. It is not difficult, therefore I am not doing. If you find any question, any thing that is difficult to understand, please ask me. Okay, so stay safe, stay healthy at home.